Hi, everyone. Welcome to this week's weekly live immigration attorney chat sponsored by Immigration for Couples. If you are new to our firm and to our Facebook page, we host these weekly chats at least 1 to 2 times a week to answer top questions and provide you with important information as it relates to the world of immigration for couples. If you happen to be watching this video on one of our other social media platforms like YouTube, we invite you to check out our Facebook page, follow us on Facebook, so you can participate in these weekly live chats. If you are watching live here today, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. And after I go over the 2 topics that I have lined up, I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. And if you're watching this on the replay, please drop in a hashtag replay in the comments and let us know, do you have any questions or what did you think of this information? All right, so let's dive in. What are the wait times for I-765 and I-131 applications? So these are work permit and travel permit authorizations. And I want to be clear that this type of application, in the context that we're speaking, is as it relates to adjustment of status. So adjustment of status is the process that couples go through as long as they're eligible. For couples who are living in the United States together, the process is called adjustment of status for the immigrant beneficiary to be able to receive a green card. Part of that adjustment of status application includes a work permit and a travel authorization. This application type, adjustment of status, also comes into play for individuals who are going through the fiancé visa process. Once you enter the United States on a fiancé visa, you have to complete the adjustment of status process to receive your green card. And that process can take a while for you to receive your green card. On average, that can take anywhere from 10 months to a year and a half. It really depends on jurisdiction. And by jurisdiction, I mean the state in which you're living. But today I want to talk about the wait time specifically for the work and the travel authorization. This is part of the application, and immigration wants you to have this work permit while you're waiting for your green card. That was the idea. That's why it was created. That's why it's part of the application. And the travel authorization is important because if you're going through the adjustment of status process, you have to remain in the United States. Because if you are to leave the United States while this application is pending, immigration would actually close your file and consider your case to be abandoned. In order to be able to not be trapped and to be able to leave the United States during that process, you have to apply for this travel authorization. And once it's approved, that would allow you to be able to travel internationally, leave the United States, and be able to have that travel without it impacting your adjustment application. So I wanted to give you that background. Maybe a lot of you watching are already going through the process and are waiting on both the work permit and the travel permit to get a decision on those 2 applications. And we've had a lot of people asking, how long is it taking? We're seeing on the USCIS website currently here. I want to be clear that immigration wait times, they fluctuate, they change all the time. And so this wait time is based on May of 2023. And the website, the USCIS website, is showing anywhere between 11 to upwards of 15 months to get a decision. USCIS puts these processing times, these estimated wait times on their website just to kind of give you a benchmark. And so we do tell clients, be prepared that both of these applications, it will take up to a year at least to receive a decision. But the good news is we're actually seeing a lot of our clients are receiving their work permits now in less than 6 months. We cannot, of course, no one can guarantee when you will receive your work or your travel authorization. It really is just, there's so many factors that go into it. But I'm hoping that this video gives you hope to know that we are seeing a lot of our clients now in the past months getting work permits in much less time than what is posted. And we hope to see that trend continuing, and we hope that USCIS will reflect that change on their processing times website. But we do know that USCIS has taken steps to really reduce work permit and travel permit wait times. it's a slow process to get those wait times down after COVID and the staffing issues and things that USCIS has had to face. But the good news is we are seeing work permits and travel authorizations being issued in much less time than they were in 2022 and 2021, right? So hopefully that gives you some peace of mind. Hopefully you'll be one of those individuals who gets your work permit or travel authorization sooner than the posted processing time. Be prepared for 12 months, but hopefully you'll be one of the unicorns that gets a decision sooner. So let us know if you are one of those people and kind of what your wait times are so others can see. All right, so hopefully that was helpful.